Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. So today I'm back with another interesting opportunity for you all. So Capita is hiring students right away and the test is live now. Basically I make these videos on off-campus notifications, internships, scholarships, certifications, etc. If you think this stuff can help you, I recommend you to watch my other videos before we begin. Let's get started. So the company that we are going to talk about today is Capita, and the test is live now. I will provide you the link to my blog and you can check it out here. Under the trending post, you will see this. Capita is hiring, test is live now. So the package is 4 lakhs per annum plus 75k bonus. So let us see more details about this company. Now if you see, so the role is a graduate engineer trainee. So for this is a trainee role. And the package is 4 lakhs per annum. You'll also get gratuity plus insurance plus 75k bonus once you complete 1.5 year, right? And talking about eligibility, BE, BTech, whoever passed in 2019, 2020 with 60% and above in 10th, 12th and engineering can apply. Technical skills, object-oriented programming, SDLC, data structures and any database. Good to have knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So people will be asking whether 2021 is eligible or not. As far as now the test is live, you can either give the test, they may consider it or not. Like in the application form, if they accept it, you will definitely able to give the test. So the test will be easy. There will be 2 coding questions, aptitude, English, and then one framework question. The framework question is basically like developing a front page of a website, something like that. So if you know HTML, CSS, you will be easily cracking that round, framework round. The coding questions are obviously easy here, and aptitude as well as English is also easy. You can easily crack this exam. So that is all about this company and all. If you think this stuff can help you, I recommend you to subscribe and also share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.